Ясти үнтэй?
Ягаад?
Ярад.
Ягаад?
Ярад.
Бийлгээ.
Yes, I like. With my del.
2 years ago, we came here and bought many souvenirs. I mean, Bastien wanted to buy many souvenirs. And then he asked for a discount from my mom, and my mom negotiated, and they gave us discount.
Yeah, like 20%?
Yeah, something like that. Ouais. Quoi gagner?
C'est cool ça aussi.
You wanna try?
Is it real one?
I think so, yeah.
C'est real one, ça. Très qualitative.
Bastien, regarde back.
I don't like. This is really cool. Hein?
Ouais.
Ah, tu vois?
Ouais, j'aime pas trop.
Ah ouais? Pourquoi?
Donc,
Pourquoi?
c'est normal. C'est...
Ouais, j'aime pas.
Ouais. C'est pas your color, your design.
Ouais. Non.
Imagine you wear it with your Dell. It has to fit, yeah.
Non, mais c'est trop petite.
Then try the black version then.
Black is less cool.
Then find somewhere else, de derrière là. Ça va être trop mignon. You have a big head. Oh. Look at you.
I feel like I have a filter on my eyes also.
I wanted to try the yellow toned one. Try on the right side. Voilà, that one. Ça c'est bien ça. This looks good.
Good?
Ouais. Tiens, regarde yourself.
Bastien. J'adore. I feel like a warrior and a warlord.
Yeah.
Yeah. Show me the like bat.
How does it look like?
You look like a big bombrouche. C'est trop mignon.
Can I turn off the camera? Bastien is hiding from me.
How is it? Is it cool? It's so cool. I want it. You buy it for me?
He wants everything. Stop trying everything. No, we will not buy it.
C'est trop stylé ça, non?
Regarde-moi, regarde-moi. Regarde-nous.
Regardez-nous. C'est chiant par contre à mettre et à enlever, c'est trop chiant. No. Help. Yes. Nobody help the can. Help me.
Why you need to close?
Because I'm gonna wear it.
No.
Yeah.
Just sit this. I need my coffee, guys. I need my coffee. Before everything is hard. Voila, one go. Voila, you can imagine.
Good. One go. 30 more.
Чи тэгээ өөрөө хийгээч надад өгвөл.
Team.
Үгүй.
Team.
Чи өөрөө хийдэг үл.
Churo.
Үгүй чи өөрөө.
How do you say pourquoi?
Ягаад?
Yarat.
Ягаад?
Yarat.
No, that's yarat. Yarat means I'm in a hurry.
T'as dit ça
Ягаад? Г. Ягаад.
aussi. Yarat.
Аа.
Yarat.
Яrat means I'm in a hurry.
Yarat, yarat.
Яrat байна.
Yagat. Et with the G. Oh non! Oh les problèmes. Oh shit.
Ягаад байгаа мó? Яарад байгаа мó? Ягаад байгаа юм? Ягаад байгаа юм? Яарад байна уу?
Yarat, yarat. Yarat, yarat.
Ягаад?
C'est super dur.
Okay, 2, 1. Too good.
Super. Non, pas super.
Ah, c'est super chiant à faire. Voilà.
Why is it much less cool when it's attached? Ça fait des wrinkling partout là.
Look at us.
C'est nul. All this job for nothing. Mais regarde là tout ça. So weird.
I want to buy a nice tail also for myself.
Mais t'es lazy toi.
But I'm tired today.
Lazy. Ah lui c'est lazy le mongolien.
Залхуу.
Salho.
Залхуу.
Salho. Salho. Yarat. Yarat. Salho.
Зархуу. Зархуу means you want to sell something.
Feels like I said the same thing.
No,
Yes.
you said зархуу. Not залхуу. Залхуу гэж зааж гисэн чинь зархуу болоо хийчлээ. Юу зарах гээд байгаа юм? It's like надрасна. Чи зарах уу гэх. Би юу зарах юм? За тэгээ манай хүн алга болчихсон. Хайч чи хаагур юу ингэж болчих. Монгол хувцсны тасгаар бол энэ залуу надаас их явж, надаас их юм туршиж үзэж байна. Надаас илүү авч байна. Би одоо жоохон шинэ Монгол дээлмэл авч сонирхгүй бол энд үзэж өгч байна. Бас ч энэ шинэ юм үзсэн болтой тэрийг харуулъя гинэ. Okay, show me. Yeah. Хаачих нь вэ? Модель олоход иглээ энэ залуу. One, that lady said, there is a mirror. Go to a mirror. What are you doing here?
What do you think?
This one is better. You do the Mongolian movement. Бийлгээ. He says I'm not a toy. What did you say?
Yeah, I said If it's less than 300,000, I buy.
Okay. Revealing time. How much?
Revealing?
I think it's more than 300. Hey, 939.
No way. What is this? If I buy 2, I have a discount?
4 if you buy 4.
I buy 4. J'aime bien. I love it.
It's nice, huh?
It's my favorite of the day. J'adore.
You need to learn the proper movements.
That was proper. That was very proper.
How much? How much?
J'ai pas envie de regarder.
If it's under 400,000, you buy.
Under 450.
Okay.
It's never gonna be under. How much? 450, okay?
C'est quoi ça? No.
449?
No. Open it full. Ah, c'est quoi ça? C'est pas ça.
Z 449.
2 million?
Zongolia 449.
Oh, it's 2 million. Fuck yeah, je crois. Maybe it's 2 million.
Ruben.
Koy ben yine. She said during the Lunar New Year it was million something.
Cheap.
Huh?
No, they have cheaper price là.
No.
They do discounts.
Peut-être.
Ask.
She said she's asking.
Discounts. 50%.
No.
One day, I will conquer the world. Make it my own empire. With my cat and can. And my warriors. We'll go through the plains. And make it ours. Yeah,
1,390,000.
yes, unte. Yes.
It's silk. Hindi. It's silk. It's silk. It's a cotton. Silk. Guys, or let's donate money for Bastien to buy this.
Voilà. If they say no, we're gonna open, how is it called?
Donation link.
Voilà. Here is the donation link, guys, to help the poor French boy having a new coat from Mongolia, the country of his heart. So if you do have a heart already, maybe you can share some of it for me.
I am shy. I am ichichukle. How is your feeling?
I feel Mongolian, guys. Finally.
We just bought the deal from Ihtilgur, our department store. 7th floor, a lot of options. So super nice.
Technically, you bought me a Dell. So
Exactly.
today-
So, yeah. Today we are going to meet someone who invited us for a dinner. A few weeks ago, Bastien bought these clothes in a department store, and the owner, she invited us for a dinner, and we said yes because why not. And she wanted to cook us like some Mongolian food, so it will be interesting for us as well. So we are on the way. Bitcoin.
Don't ask me too much. Be chin.
Баярлалаа.
So cool.
нөгөө юу яач наач жоохон бишгэндээ царам удаа гарах бол яг би нөгөө илүү 2 дугаар гүрэлд илүү дуртай. Арай натурал.
Eat everything. I just try all the meat because I was with her family and I wanted to show the family that I want to be with them and share the culture and the food and everything. And I got so sick the next day. Yeah, because I tried many meat and the meat in Mongolia is much stronger than the meat in Europe. And as I mixed them and it's stronger, that was super hard.
Very old. Here is my tradition. It's traditional. It's some inspiration from the Indian culture.
Indian culture inspired. Oh. She has a gift for us.
It's yours.
Amazing. Can I open?
It's yours. Yes, of course. Open it.
Баярлалаа.
It's you buy it. It's for winter. It's for summer.
Oh.
It's also summer. But
Yeah.
More classic and more simple.
Okay.
That's why that one is the color.
I'm so happy.
You happy?
I haven't even seen it, but I'm already so happy. For real. Thank you very much.
Yeah, you can try, and the mirror they have.
So nice.
Wow.
Look.
It's for summer.
Oh my god.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
хамгийн оромтой Монгол хувцас дуртай юм байна.
Амт амар надаасаа илүү. My turn. Oh.
Give me out in here.
It looks so cute.
It looks so cute.
Амар зүйл хүмүүс гарахаар гоё.
Very nice pink color.
Ийм засаг.
Тийм байх те?
Тийм хот.
Нөө тод бас биш. Тийм тэгсэн мөртлөө гоё гэгээлэг өнгөтэй те?
It's so pretty.
Yeah. Pretty no?
Yeah.
Баярлалаа. Өстой гоё юм байна. I want to buy a nice tail also for myself.
Mais t'es lazy, toi.
But I'm tired today.
I was 7 years old. 7 or 8? Yeah.
I think when I was 7 years old, I wasn't even able to draw like a house properly. So let alone clothes, faces, bodies.
I love it.
За hi guys, бид хоёр Францта хүрээд ирчихсэн. Тэгээд алдарман фэшн дизайнерын гэрт очсныхоо дараа бид хоёр ерөөдөө бол завгүй ирсэн учраас тэр өрөөдөө бичлэг хийж амжаагүй. Тэгээд ерөөдөө детальчлаад ярих юм бол алдарманч бид хоёрын YouTube-ыг үзэж агаад яасан хөөрхөн хосууд вэ гэд vibe-ын таалагдаад гэртээ уурахаар болсон гэсэн. Тэгээд бид хоёр ч гэсэн очих уу, яах уу гэж танихгүй айлд гэж бодож байгаад ерөөдөө үзээд алдъя те гэж бодоод ерөөдөө бол очсон. Тэгсэн чинь төсөөснөөс ерөнхийдөө бол айгүй гоёыг оройг бид гурав хамт юм яриад өнгөрөөсөн. Тэгээд алдармагч маань үнэхээр мундаг бүсгүй байлээ. Энэ бол зар сурчлагаа биш шүү. Зүгээр л бит гурвын нэг орой ерөнхийдөө бол тэгэж өнгөрсөн. Би биенийхээ түүхийг яриад те танилцаад айгүй гоё оройг өнгөрөөсөн. Тэгээд бас алдармагч маань үдчихив бит хоёрт гоё дээл хантаад өгсөнд нь баярлалаа. За тэгээд дараагийн бичлэгүүдээр уулзъя. Bye bye.